So, you're thinking of buying or building a new construction home here in Apex, North Carolina? Today, we're right here in the heart of Apex, and I'm excited to show you this beautiful master plan community called Retreat at Friendship. Today, I will show you model homes here in this community with variety of floor plans to choose from, and there's about 109 more home sites here available to choose from. So the builder here is MI Homes. It's beautiful. I mean, they're selling really fast here. And so this video will also show you a community that you'll be able to see the different floor plans available to choose. They start from 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3 to 5 bath, and the square footage is around 2,300 to 4,300 square foot homes. And you're also going to find variety of floor plans here. So whether you need more space for family, guests, or even home office, there's tons of options here that really fit your lifestyle. They also have a third floor living space and a basement homes available right now here. So watch out for my next video. Stick around also till the end of this video for the special financing available for you. Hey everyone, this is Ann Jeanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina, helping buyers to buy new homes and helping people to relocate to Cary, Raleigh, Durham, Apex, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for new construction homes, this channel is about living, working, playing, and owning real estate here in the Triangle. So make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that ring bell so you can be the first ones to know more about new construction home tours and relocation tips, whether it is 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking of making the move. Don't hesitate to give me a call, send me a text, write me an email. I get calls and texts and emails from people just like you every day, and I love it. Hi, this is Anjanette again, and today we are here going to tour this beautiful home here at Retreat at Friendship. This house has a 6 bedroom, 5 bathroom, about 4,200 square feet, and there's a third floor finish room up here. So this house is huge, plenty of space. So let me take you for a tour right now. It has 2-car garage over here. And here's the welcome. Wow. Look right away on this side over here. This house is a lot of rooms here. So you can use this as your office. And there's a closet here. And if you notice, they use this wall here with 2 windows for more light in. And right away, when you turn to your left, there's a full bathroom there, which is so convenient. If you're down here on the first floor, you need your use the restroom. It's right there. Coat closet right here. To the left is the stairs leading to the second floor. But wow, look at this. Another room here. Well, I guess that room there could be your guest bedroom that you can use, and you can use this with 2 French door here as your office space as well. Oops, watch out. This is a big office area here with 2 windows here for more light. Look at the space here, very nice. And this must be the door that leads to the garage. Okay. Over here is another storage space for you where you can put your, vacuum, cleaning supplies, whatever storage that you need. That would be another area where you can put your stuff in. Over here is your beautiful large living space. And it opens to your kitchen. You can video from here, from this angle, so they can see the kitchen from this angle. Look at that. Very large center island here. I like the light fixtures. And then the sink is over here, which looks out to this nice, big, huge window. This is a very good, location for your sink. And then more cabinets here. And it has this gas stove and, stainless steel appliances. And this one facing your dining area here. This is where you put your dining area. It's very big. And your pantry. And then leading from this dining area here, you can extend your uh, living space, maybe for entertainment in your screen porch over here. You can put a grill here and then put some more outdoor furniture here and enjoy your day. Awesome. Let's make it now to the fun part. Let's look at the bedrooms. They have plenty of bedrooms up here, including the third floor. So let's go. Right away, when you come up here, you will be on this. Let's look at this room first. It has a nice French door here that opens this space to whatever you want this. Maybe an area for your like your loft area. It's enclosed, could be your theater room, maybe gathering space, hobby room, exercise room, whatever you want to convert or use this bedroom. And as you come out here, your washer and dryer is on this side with a nice sink here and more closets here, closet space. I mean closet. So, and then as you come out to the left here, this is another bedroom here. Oh, this is the primary bedroom. Okay, this is the master's, the primary bedroom. Wow, plenty of space here for your king size bed. And then I like the fact that they added all these windows here for more light in, for the light to come in. Huge windows leading to your primary, huge, spacious sink area here. Two vanities, and look at the space here for more storage, like to put your stuff while getting ready. Lots of cabinets here. And then on this side is your shower. Take a look at that. There's a bench over here and another bench here. Hello, how's your shower? Are you enjoying your shower? Well, I guess you can put stuff there if you wanted to, and more closet space here for your towels. And then you get to have your huge closet here, walk-in closet. And then your private toilet on that side. And now let's take a look. So nice that the master bedroom are in the back or in this section for more, it's quieter. And to the hallway here, it's leading. There's this Um, full bathroom here, and on this side is your shower and your toilet, and then a dual sink and white cabinets to share with your roommates. Another bedroom here, very large bedroom. As you notice, it's very spacious. Quite a a good size cabinet. I mean, and you have a walk-in closet here in this one bedroom with no lights yet. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Yep. And then more bedrooms on this side with lots and plenty of light here. This is a very big, spacious bedroom here, don't you think? It's huge. And you also have a walk-in closet. Towards here to the right is another large bedroom, as you can see. And this bedroom has its own private bathroom. Wow. Okay. This bedroom is the only one here that has its own private bedroom. So it has its own shower, toilet, and yeah, bathroom. Yeah, you're right. So it has its own bathroom. So this bedroom gets its own bathroom. Wow. That's so good. Because some people like to have, like, like maybe a teenager kid, or. Oh, look, I noticed that there's a big window over that bathroom. That's nice. And then so now for the fun part, like I said, I will show you the finished third floor. Let's go look at the finished third floor. Some people, if you work from home, right? Or you can use this space here for, oh wow, this is a big office if you wanna. But this could be a game room, theater room. I mean, endless possibilities here. Or, if you have guests coming over, like plenty of space for family to gather here, to stay. Um, there's a lot of possibilities in this room. This is huge. This is the third floor, finished third floor in this home. And the floor plan is called Britain. Okay. And over this side, you don't even have to go down there. You get to have your own full bathroom on that side. And look, another more bedroom here. This is plenty of space. Wow. And this room also has its own closet space here. And this probably leads to your utilities, so it's easy access. So that's the end of our tour in Britain. So community, they have amenities that includes community pool and a pavilion, walking trails, play lawns, and pollinator garden with additional access to Friendship Station's pool and cabana nearby. Located in the heart of Apex, North Carolina, which is less than 15 miles to Raleigh. And it's a short drive to Street of South Point, which is a premier shopping destination, and lots of restaurants in this area. And it's easy access to Highway 540, Highway 55, and it's one of the most desirable location here in Apex because it is also close enough to Duke and UNC in Durham and RTP, and it's a close drive to the airport as well. This location is the one, like I said, one of the most desirable areas here in Apex. So I said something about bonus that you will discover because right now you can lock in an incredible 3.99 to 5.25% interest rates with their preferred lender. So if you're thinking of moving in the Triangle and Apex areas or its neighboring cities and wants to see communities like this is the best location. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd love to hear from you. So also watch a few more of my videos after this. There are more amazing floor plans available for you. Remember, I help many buyers locally and of course those relocating from out of state. There's a lot of great places here in Apex. And find your dream home here at the retreat at Friendship.
Keep it on repeat, tested by the potion, love it.